Let's create this beautiful 3D design and bow tie with gel polish. So we're going to be applying our preferred color of choice. Okay, so this is the preferred color I'm using. So I did the rest off camera and this is how it's looking. So guys, we're going to be drawing our French tips. I've given you guys so many detailed tutorial of how to get your French tips as a beginner nail tech. Okay, so you can check our playlist to find your preferred video. So guys, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to draw your French tip on this video. Okay, I think on one or two fingers and then we'll dive into the next. Guys, today's tutorial is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial. Okay, so for my first time viewers, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please be part of this beautiful family, okay, by subscribing to this channel. Guys, subscribing to my channel is the only way you can actually encourage and support me. For my returning subscribers, you're highly welcome. I appreciate you guys so much. Without you guys, there's no Vanessa Fina on this YouTube space. Thank you so much and God bless you. Right, for my first time viewers, please click the subscribe button, okay, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, this second finger, okay, is actually the easiest part or easier method I use to draw my French tip. Okay, so as a beginner in tech, you can try this A method. Okay, there's so many ways to draw or start drawing your French tip, but I prefer this A method. Some people go with the V method. The V method is actually very similar with the A method. Okay, like I said earlier, you can check my playlist to find your preferred video. Okay, I have a very detailed tutorial video of how to draw your French tip. So this is what is given, okay, at the end of the day, and we're going to be doing the same method on this third finger. So guys, we're actually done with that friendship design. Okay, with the friendship design. Okay, we're going to move into our bow tie. Okay, like I said, is a we're using gel polish, okay, for our design. Okay, so use any preferred color of your choice. As you can see, I'm using this darker shade of, should I call it peach? Yeah, darker shade of peach color or nude color, whichever you want to call it. You can use any color of your choice. Okay, so you draw this X line. Okay, as a beginner, you draw this X line, so you follow the lines when you're drawing your bow tie. Okay, it's going to be very easy and simple for you. Just watch the video and understand it. And guys, they are already giving already. Okay, so I'm going to be adding our stone, okay, with our rhinestone glue. Okay, just to pop the design out a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Okay, then you cure for 60 seconds and we'll dive into our 3D design. So as soon as you are done, you apply your top coat first before you apply your 3D design. Guys, this is because top coat does not really sit well on top of rhinestone glue. Okay, it does not really sit well on this art gel. Okay, so you apply your top coat first before you apply your design. Okay, and for our 3D design, we're going to be using both our art gel, which is what I'm using now, okay, and our rhinestone glue. So guys, the trick to this particular 3D design, okay, as soon as you apply, you cure before going to the next design. Okay, you apply, you cure before going to the next design. Okay, so that your gel will not melt down and your, design will get spoiled. Okay, so once you do one design, you cure, you do one design, you cure. Okay, yeah, so we're going to be using our rhinestone glue to draw the second finger. So like I said earlier, you do one design, you cure. Okay, as you can see, you cure and then you do another design, you cure. Guys, I always try as much as possible to make my video to be as detailed as possible. Okay, yeah. that is basically all we did for this tutorial, guys. It came out so beautiful. Like I said, it's a very easy and simple tutorial. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please give me a like. Okay, if you find it helpful, please give me a like, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified, and also drop a comment. Okay, and also I'm open to corrections. If you think there's anything I need to know, okay, I'm also learning. We are all learning every day. Okay, all right guys, see you in our next video. Bye, and thank you for watching. Mwah.